look closely at each piece of our hamburger essay. Let's say our essay question asks this: how does the author of the story express its theme or its main message to readers? So, we know that our essay will explore what the theme or main message of a story is, and how the author expresses that theme. Let's start writing. First, there's the top bun of our hamburger essay, the introduction. We'll start with one sentence to hook our readers in, maybe by asking them a fascinating question or two, or offering an unusual fact to pique their curiosity. Next, we'll explain whatever background information they need to understand what we're talking about. Finally, we'll give our thesis statement, one important sentence that answers the essay question. Check out how Preston, a writer on level 8, wrote his introduction. He read a story called Rules of the Game by Amy Tan, and his job is to explain how Tan expresses the theme or main idea of the story. Here's his intro. To hook us in, he writes a series of questions. Have you ever felt like your life was going nowhere, like you were trapped or stuck? Did you give up, or did you gather your strength and push forward in your life? And to give us background information, he explains enough of what he's talking about so that we can understand him even if we haven't read the story. That decision fell on Waverly, the main character in Amy Tan's story, Rules of the Game. Waverly is 7, living with her 2 brothers and their parents in Chinatown, San Francisco. Ever since she became a chess prodigy, she feels trapped by her mother, who controls her life and makes her feel utterly trapped. Finally, he wraps up his intro with his thesis statement, his sentence that answers the essay question. But the theme of Waverly's story is that despite life's obstacles, we have to keep pressing forward. And that theme reveals itself to readers in 3 main ways: through the story of the wind, through the metaphor of the animals stuck in the shop, and through the metaphor of chess. Now you try it. Think of a story you've read. What was the theme or the main message that the author wants us to take away from the story? And how does the author express that theme? Write your introduction for your essay, thinking of it as the top bun of a hamburger. Write your hook, your background information, and your thesis, just like Preston did.